is Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious, and I am getting ready to style this coffee table here. I took down all of the decoration, as you can see, and I went on and I cleaned everything. Now I'm just getting ready to decorate. So if you guys want to see how I decorate this and what pieces I will be using, just keep watching. Well, family, you know that you are always welcome, and to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if this is your first time, oh my goodness, you are also welcome. I really do appreciate you guys for stopping by. Now let's get started. First, we're going to be using this beautiful vase here. It's a silver mirror tile vase, and this was in one of my hauls, so I'm not going to be giving any prices. Just go back to my hauls and you can see how much I paid for these items, because I can't remember everything. I can't remember how much I paid for each item, okay? So we're going to start off with this vase here, and we're just going to set this right on the edge. Now, I got some just branches. I DIY'd these silver sticks here, and I didn't do a video on those, but the next time when I do something, I'll make sure that I do a video. And so here we're just going to use some just gold branches and some silver sprays. Now before I go further, my colors are the silver, gold, and white. So this is what you'll be seeing me incorporated in my decorating today. So I already put these little bunches together. Nothing special, you just stick them together and just, I'm going to hold this because I'm going to have to stick this inside of my vase here. Okay, so let's come in with some decorative books. Guys, I always use my books, so you're going to see them probably in every video. And I'm just going to stick these right here. Okay. This is going to be my gold that I'm going to be adding in there with the silver and white. And I just put that right there just to bring out this gold in this plant here. And here I'm going to be using 3 of these tall silver mercury glass candle pillar holder. I'm just going to put that right there, and I'm coming in with 2 more. And these here are just my little decorative balls, silver balls that I'm using. I'm just going to put one there, there, there. And this is just something simple, nothing out of the way, because I will be changing this probably within 2 weeks. So now I'm going to go ahead on and go over to my end tables. Okay guys, so I am recording at night. Everybody is in the bed, and so I'm going to be coming in with this vase here, and this is a mirror vase as well. And I just got these little branches here, just drop them in there. Okay. And they are so easy to spread out. I'm coming in with my beautiful golden candle holder. Look at how gorgeous that is. Okay, we're going to be putting this right here. And this is some more gold because I'm going with that gold and silver. This is my little chimpanzee. I'm just going to put right there. And I'm going to be repeating the same thing on the other end of the couch. So once again, I'm coming in with my base, my floor already in it, and my chimpanzee will go. Okay, let's move over to my console table. I'm going to be still sticking with that silver, gold, and white. Okay, here's my nice mirror tile base here. And I'm going to use 2 of these. I'm going to put one right there and another one right there. And here's 2 LEDs candle that I will be using. Let's put one on each. Now let's go down to the bottom. I'm going to be using 2 of these birds here, golden bird. Once again, that's bringing out that gold that I'm looking for. And here is a vase. I'm not going to put anything in it. Once again, all of these items, you can go to my haul and you will find the price of these items. Just going to put that right there in the center. And guys, I am done with this end table here. Okay guys, I'm just going to pan around, and I just got this table here, simple. Okay, I went on and did arrangement number 2 on this, and this is the finished result on arrangement 2. I took the candle pillows and placed them on top of a book, and I took the plants here and I placed this on the end, and I ran that vine all the way through this little arrangement here. So guys, this is what it looking like here. So let me know if you like the first one, or do you like this one? Just leave me a comment below. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and my entire living room refresh will be coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. I uploaded my dining room refresh, and you can go and watch that video as well, and I believe it is called the Glam New Year's Table. Okay, I'm signing off. This is maryw.jones. And once again, thank you for watching. Bye bye. I will see you in my next video.